Welcome back to another episode of Eating with Quack. You know what today is. It's Turkey Day. Happy Turkey Day to everybody out there, to you and your family. Today, what I got on the menu is not a lot because it's a small family, but we did celebrate Turkey Day. We got the baked macaroni and cheese. We got the baked Cornish hen, Louisiana Gumbo. We got crab. We got shrimp, smoked turkey neck, smoked sausage. It's finna go down. Let's eat. Hope everybody having a good holiday and y'all enjoying your time with your family. You know, that's what I like about the holidays, even though I don't celebrate holidays, but it's the perfect opportunity to enjoy the companies of your family members that you didn't see in a long time. You know, so I hope everybody's having a wonderful holiday. I don't know where to start. So I go to Cornish hen, so I go to Gumbo. Let's go with the Gumbo. Let's go with the Louisiana Gumbo. I know y'all probably wondering, like, why are you saying Louisiana Gumbo? Because Louisianians take pride in their gumbo. And they don't feel that no one else does it better than them when it comes to gumbo. That got spice to it, y'all. It definitely got spice to it. Cornish ham. Little leggy. Little leggy. Phone with the bone good. I'm not gonna lie. I miss when I was younger. Everybody come to the family house, which is what if it's, as if it's like grandma's house or the auntie house, and all the you get to meet all the new nieces and nephews, your cousins. You know, see the cousins you ain't seen in a while, and everybody come together. I miss that. I honestly miss that. It's like, I can't speak for everybody. I know for me though, like Thanksgiving, like certain holidays is not the same no more. Like once the elders pass on, like the grandparents, it just doesn't feel the same. I miss the memory. Got turkey neck right here. Got the turkey neck on that one. I might not do too much talking on this video, and I apologize. Man. You'll see that mac and cheese. I'll see that mac and cheese though, right? Cornish hen rocking too though. Everything on this plate is slamming right now. Everything. We didn't do it like big this year because all the big kids are with their other side of the family. And we only have the two little ones here today. The younger ones are here with us, and the other kids are gone. So this is what we made for Thanksgiving. I'm enjoying it. Oh, but I forgot to tell y'all, this is an okra gumbo. So it's okra in this and white rice at the bottom. So, yeah. You see the crab. You see that blue crab on them. Do y'all eat gumbo where you live? I know up north where I come from, in New Jersey, they don't know nothing about jambalaya. They don't know nothing about gumbo. They don't know nothing about boudin. Like, them words are foreign up there, you know? So, and if you do like okra, what kind of okra do you like? Do you like okra gumbo? Like, what you like in your gumbo if you do like gumbo? It's a big piece. I'm gonna have to use my hands for this one. Yeah, so how you like your gumbo? I know all the mukbang content creators gonna be dropping videos today. It's gonna be a Thanksgiving mukbang extravaganza. Like, we had this food done by like, this food done like breakfast time, like 9, 10 this morning. I don't know, man. I like eat with my hands. I don't know about y'all. Nice piece of white meat. You see that white meat? Nice piece of white meat. It's so tender and like, What's your favorite part about the holidays? What do you enjoy about Thanksgiving? Or if you don't enjoy it as much like you used to, what did you enjoy when you used to enjoy it? Because we're in a different time right now, and things have changed. Like, things have definitely changed. So, you know, these just things is different, man. We had smoked sausage. The best thing I like about Thanksgiving is baked macaroni and cheese. If you didn't know, baked macaroni and cheese is in my top 5 favorite foods. That's a fun fact about me. Baked macaroni and cheese is in my top 5. And I know you guys like, but we don't see you eating it as much on the channel. I try to give you guys like different things. Like, I don't want to repeat. Certain things that I eat. on the channel. So it's the first time y'all see me eating baked macaroni and cheese, homemade. You know, holidays have not been the same for me since I want to say like 2004, when grandma and grandpa was still living, especially grandma, because she was like the glue to the family. So like she brought everyone to her home. Like we used to do Sundays dinners at her home, birthday parties at her home, reunions at the home. You know, man, the family structure has left the building in my family. Like if you've been following me, you know how I am and how my family is, because I didn't discuss these things on this channel. I bring my personal life here because I look at my guapanators, my viewers, as family. So, you know, I don't know if that's for everybody family, but from the outside looking in, from what I see, majority of melanated beings, our family we don't have that family structure like other people do. I'm looking at bring that back though with my small unit. You know, I would like to have everyone at the table, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we talk and we discuss, you know, how they feeling, anything, what they liked about last week, like different topics I want to bring to my family unit that I feel like melanated people don't bring to that table. And I want to have good discussions with my family. And guess what? I'm going to put it on camera too. You know, and it's good to have conversations over a meal. You get more out of people when you're eating. Like, if you ever have difficulties with somebody or your mate or anything, hash it out over a meal. And if you cause the issue, you should pay for that meal. You should cook for that person and talk over a meal and watch the outcome you will get with having that discussion while eating. It's something about food that makes you happy. Because I know when I'm mad or I'm going through something, I'm stressing, I cannot eat. But when I do eat, it just, I don't know, something about the arm. It's something about when your arm bend and your mouth open. It just changed things. I can't explain it. Maybe one of you guys can explain it for me, but I can't explain it. So, I don't want to keep y'all for too long. You know, I like talking to y'all. I love talking to y'all. Like is like an understatement. I love talking to y'all. I appreciate y'all. Hope y'all having a wonderful day with your family. You know, take advantage of this moment, you know, because some families only come together once or twice a year. So take advantage of seeing your loved ones, the little ones, the elders. Talk to the elders, you know, get some of that wisdom. And if you're an elder, give some wisdom to the children around you, because it takes a village. It takes a village. And I appreciate y'all. And you know my saying. Till next time, I love you all. Like, share, subscribe.